What's up, everybody? It is Cody here with the Kubicon Jeep and another episode of the Jeep TJ 1-ton build. On today's episode, we are going to be installing our TJ tub armor onto the side of the TJ here. This is a pretty straightforward process. The hardest part about it for some of you guys will be getting these freaking bolts out. As you guys can see, I've already loosened them because I was giving a little feeler to see if it was going to go good or go bad. So, yeah, we're going to dive right into this. Super easy process. When you buy the MotoBilt tub armor, you get all of the required riv nuts and bolts. So, really, the first step of this process is to unbolt our two factory bolts here. Those we'll use as essentially a guide for this passenger side panel as well as the driver's side panel. We'll mark out our holes, drill our holes, install our riv nuts with our riv nut tool that I did finally acquire after doing the rear quarter panels. I realized that I should probably have one of them. Yeah, we'll get these tub armor pieces installed and call it a day. So let's get started, guys. So this is a pretty fast process. I don't think I'm even gonna time lapse it, to be honest with you. Just getting two Allen head nuts out to replace our little Torxes. The factory ones are too small for this application. All right, so we got our plate where we want it. Just confirm it's fit in where you want it to be for the rest of its life. And then we're just gonna center dimple all of our holes. These holes are drilled with a 17/32 bit. For those of you that are bad at math, that is just over a 1/2 inch. I have drilled these holes with a 1/2 inch and kind of just gave it the little like whoop at the end, and it works. So just for your guys' information, you know, 17/32 is not a super common drill bit size. But we're gonna pop this back off and drill our holes for our riv nuts. We'll break out the riv nut tool and get the riv nuts installed and then reinstall this whole armor plate. Hopefully we can drill some more. All right, so now we run over here and grab our riv nut gun. I did just get this. The size you will need is 5/16 by 18. We get this set up real quick and we'll get our riv nuts punched into the side of the tub here. This tool is well worth the money, just for how easy it is to install riv nuts with it. If you're doing a lot of off-road stuff with your Jeep, this is like a must-have. I mean, look at how easy, and like I've ran them in with the bolts, stripped the freaking bolts out. They're loose, they don't freaking work right. These are just so fast and so easy to use that it's like everyone should. If you've got a Jeep and you're putting stuff on it, you gotta own one of these. It's just effortless to put these riv nuts in. Ready to put the panel on now. Like I've said, this is really not a super involved part of the Jeep build. And MotoBilt makes this really easy just for this stuff to kind of all fall together, you know. It just effortlessly works. Which I'm sure, like you guys, you know, that's why I buy MotoBilt stuff. I don't want to guess fitment, I would just want it to fit. All right, guys, that is the passenger side installed. Super, super easy. One of the easier things we're doing today. That's partially why I'm doing it. It's because I've just been getting whacked with a bunch of stuff on this Jeep that you guys will see. I just wanted something easier to do. So we're gonna walk over to the driver's side and repeat the exact same thing. Really, the only difference is there isn't the radio antenna hole. Yeah, so we're gonna hop over there and I'll see you guys over there. All right, guys, there you have it. The tub armor is installed. Again, one of those really, really easy things to do, minus the windshield bolts that some of you are gonna have a hell of a time getting out on a riv nut tool. It's really, really basic. They look really good and they protect the Jeep, which is the most important part. This thing is going to go off-road. It needs all the armor it could possibly get. And this is just another piece to keep the rest of the tub safe. So we will catch you guys on the next episode of the Jeep TJ 1-ton build. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.